Conversions.
पैसे.
Rupees. How will rupee be converted into paisa?
A conversion of rupees and paise into paise. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 2 rupees is equal to 100 paise multiplied by 2. Thus 2 rupees is equal to 200 paise. Similarly, 5 rupees is equal to 100 paise multiplied by 5. Thus 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. Working rule. To convert rupees into paise, we put 2 zeros to the right of the given number of rupees and get the number of paise. Let us convert 5 rupees 75 paise into paise. We can write this as 5 rupees 75 paise. Now multiply 100 paise by 5, which is equal to 500 paise. Then add 500 paise and 75 paise is equal to 575 paise. Working rule. To convert rupees and paise into paise only, we simply remove the dot and the symbol rupee. We write paise on the right of the number so obtained. Conversion of paise into rupees and paise. Let us look at the given relationship in reverse form. 100 paise equals to 1 rupee. 250 paise equals to 2.50 rupees. 300 paise equals to 3 rupees. 785 paise equals to 7.85 rupees. 1800 paise equals to 18 rupees. 2105 paise is equal to 21.05 rupees. Working rule. To convert paise into rupees and paise, we simply put a dot after 2 digits from the right of the given number showing paise. We then write rupee symbol on the extreme left. Money addition and subtraction.
Hello, today we will add 75 rupees 25 paise and 37 rupees and 50 paise. First, we will add paise, that is 25 plus 50 is equal to 75 paise. Then we will add 75 rupees and 37 rupees is equal to 112 rupees. Now let's do subtraction. Find the difference between rupees 245.80 paise and rupees 129.55 paise. Solution is, first we will subtract 55 paise from 80 paise, which is equal to 25 paise. Then subtract 129 rupees from 245 rupees, which is equal to 116 rupees. Thus, the answer is 116 rupees 25 paise.